Finally, a reimagined home, better than anything that you've seen on this block. In fact, it's one of the very few homes that's been reimagined and remodeled under $300,000 in the Northeast Heights. This is one that you definitely don't want to scroll by on. And what I mean by completely reimagined, I mean completely renovated. New flooring, new windows, new paint throughout, new kitchen, new bathroom. Everything's been done in the home. It's one of those things that you just move in ready, come in and enjoy. You got nice appliances in the kitchen, you got a gas oven, you got a stainless steel undermount sink on granite countertops with white cabinetry. It's absolutely beautiful. In the backyard is blank canvas, big backyard, alleyway access to get your RVs in, but plenty of room just to reimagine the space. And the home features 3 beds, 1 bath, and a closet in every bedroom. We have updated heating and cooling with mini splits. Very comforting, very warming. The recessed lighting's let an abundance of light in, as well as the windows. It just makes you feel at home. And did I mention that this home might just be in Breaking Bad? Well,
Actually knows what he's doing. Safe and cautious.
okay, 1 pixel is in Breaking Bad, but that pixel's still in there. The primary bedroom is pretty spacious. You got plenty of room back here. You got access to the backyard as well as a pretty decent sized closet here in the space. This location is so powerful. You're just steps away from 2 peaceful city parks, Conchas Park and Hoffman Park. Perfect for a morning walk or sunset picnic. Everyday essentials are a breeze with CVS, Walgreens, and Walmart right around the corner. Treat yourself to a hot coffee at Pinon Coffee and savor a fresh donut at Krispy Kreme. Or wander through the stunning Albuquerque Rose Garden. And you're right next to the Breaking Bad car wash. It's really close to Uptown Albuquerque and Coronado Mall, with dozens of stores, restaurants to choose from. Everything you love is practically at your doorstep. Don't flip a coin on your next home purchase. Come check this one out today.